What's
no? Name 5 animals that live in water.
Izingbe. 5 animals that lives in water. Oh my. Izingbe, 5 animals that lives in water. Huh. Only my way, even the Baba was sick again. The Baba was stay. On the way, Hannah. 5 animals that lives in water in Biakani, primary school near Yaku. Near Yasan, you're saying a resetting point. Near Yawe quiz in school. You don't know it. My Dem is a dem not having a hiri to boy away research. No yam with dictionary, no zio, no gualo, no to boy gualo. Anyway, go hammer away. Where 5 animals that lives in water. Number 1 fish, boy. Number 2 papa fish. What is ere fish, papa fish. Number 3 is a fish in the river. Honey, mama fish or fish mother. Number 4 cotton fish. Honey, fish brother or fish sister. Be fish brother first. The other one be fish sister. Ogbana efe, ogbere efe ma we. E ma mi water river. E ma mi water yo.
Igbone.
Be papi water be. Ote papi water. Ogbani gare. Ogbere efe fi yan wonu pe. Money gi yan we pass ne. We pass ne wa go here. E ge ma yan pa be school. Uga wa school why ya submit e radio. Uga gi yan copy yan na spare. Gi yan na spare.
We po no wa di na wa ya kike.
I don't know that no mi amo.
Yes. That's how much really do.
How many coffee do we produce in Africa?
2 types of coffee, or I'm a coffee and coffee casket. Manufacturer. Okay, my name is do we be garlic in an hour? Are you say lu? Are we be slope? Quarter no raw. Area na mi. Nuri agwalo wa mi. Any question? Carry on.
What happens if the earth rotates at 30 times faster?
Hey. I found Hana. Okay, yet you know rotate 30 times faster ni. What it be an iro? Ni na te mi iguki wu pa ruki. Iyan do ami every days. Dayo, it dan oro yan me favor se. Wo ko no ro. No gi mo bo me na wo. No te mo bo me. Ukitegba. Hin ga je video, iyan do mo bo me ededegbe. To me. You know you know. What good on a month? You will good this. I not think make will know any. You are blessed. You are blessed.
Wow. Who will be a class me?
No,
my own class?
No, uncle. I wasn't sleeping.
You were not sleeping? Okay, then wow.
You are meditating.
Oh, you were communicating with God.
Yes.
It's okay. Then no saloba wait am away.
Uncle Beleapa. Oh, here no no saloba hama me. Okay, I will hama no problem. Osaloba hama me se very anywhere. Either ni na don't worry class now that ma be get to Osaloba. Osaloba when you go gwa ye ruda o ma adugbo na lasike noje. O when ye akubele yakwa.
You must be on serious person.
It was serious, uncle.
Will you keep quiet? It can't get it when magba. It can't get to mama muju no fear it we do make back. Ike ya ke mwasana la baba. Come on, leave here and call the many students who want to worry. Will you leave here? I'm going stupid students here. In fact, I'm tired of teaching. Students here are not narrow.
What did I do? For he, what's wrong? Uncle Beleapa, we need to worry. Okay, no, who does he marry? What's wrong? Who was the summit assignment or what? Sign me. Making it working, man. Who went? Okay, no. I only got him now. Why away? Na baby no, ibe ti asa ki be ba go. Wa bribe me.
I'll buy you. No.
Boy. HIJKLMNOP.
Isha, ABCD mano. Just like that.
Yes, no. Hey, Uncle Bele akwa woni magwale the chemical formula of water. Okay, H2O ni or H2O. Only HIJKLMNO.
H2O. H from H to O. The better.
HIJKLMNO.
Who are you on this one? Come on, what class we are getting this one? Not shit. No working.
Working? Yeah, we're now.
Hey,
Where they working?
the result is Ladiane.
Oh, result you were. No way for that. Era I think you are whippy. You know me or get an okay, making I way, even if you there. Yeah, oh, or mau. Yeah, you pass it. Here. Where do you are? Is it one here? Oh, no. Why here? Oh, excellent. Why here was a. Wait, is it one here? Why are you from why? Why here? Huh? Apanya? Wow, way.
Medical doctor.
Arewanya. Awa. And that's a mass. Iki, Efna. Easy. On I English language. On I can hear. Efna. What the way? Oh, way.
Medical doctor.
Buying Efna plus Efna equals to
Medical doctor.
I'm on my way to you. Come on now. Mathematics Efna. English language Efna plus Efna. Yeah, we're passing it. We overpass. Greek A1. Bible knowledge. On your religion. Efna. Greek A1 partner. Okay, do language. A1. What's it now? We're not going now. Economics. Efna. Why wow, we go doctor. Opalenya.
Go doctor.
Hello, I will tell you. We we out of here what is pass Greek. Greek na no gbogbo ebe afa voa. Ebe ugwaku, ebe ugwaku, ebe otua, enye onyu aya afefero onu aya asopo.
Hey.
We must become a native doctor. Ye medical doctor ko akin to iwe. Owe do ro we wa me te ugwa ase do ni an ado wu bo we. Ugwa ti so nu enu oru yen do ara afi yen do nu age pa oni lewo yen to nikin o ti yen do yo genya
Eyen do.
apa o me o ti yen wo me ewu mi ewu awo ni owo to o lo se do agu yo yi fuka wo ko wo medical doctor and I change it to native doctor.
Hey, Papa, money gabo. Medical doctor here.
Ye na ta wonu ebe wo ebe ha we wo asobo. O te tu we asobo o ma te si egbo yorun wa lele. Wa koloko akusango esiza ogun ko le so ya bo ya mo gwa gbo to yen ya iroro ni akoloko nu yen.
Papa, me se
Ba se ti we.
Igwede.
Igwedu wa ikene ni ge ni gbera re. Da se ma wo bo kin akin. We gwe iwe tani we wa do kin obo bo wa do ase. Bere ni Igwedu wa. A1 we Greek. Edu A1. O pa lenya. Obo kin ase obo. No me na mami wota we kin.
Eme o.
Oh no ge mo bi o. Me ka ya awu mo te ya we. We ma ka free mami wota. O karo awu. Tawo gbage. What is it? Bere what is it ami ma no what is it ami o ni wa nya. Oru ya o. Pe te mu na. Ona ri ma we mami wota we na.
Mami water.
Wa here we odo o we papi wota wa gba.
God forbid.
Ma, ahia.
Mais ici si
Ah ouais, pas. Ah ouais, il y avait là, il devait y avoir pasteur. Ah bon, il va attends. Monsieur docteur. Adu ko akolo ku kwa, aku sa ko do aso poni yere. Arebe wa.